Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. So in this class we are going to discuss about case study on hybrid vehicle. So in this class we will discuss the content based on what is hybrid vehicle, what is electrical vehicle, what is internal combustion engine, and what are the different types of fuels, that is fuels like petroleum products, petrol, diesel, and what are the different alternative fuels to the petroleum based products. So these things we will discuss in this class. And first, what is hybrid vehicle? So we have this the combination of different power resources. So by means of combining these resources, we can manage the demand created by the fossil fuels. The fossil fuels means the petroleum, petrol, diesel. These are the fossil fuels, right? So what is the importance of going to a hybrid vehicle and the electrical vehicle? The main reason is the depletion of the petroleum-based products and the cost of or drastic rise of cost of these petrol and diesel. So these are the things that forces us to find the alternate fuel resources to the petroleum based products. So and what are the advantages of these alternate sources compared to petrol and diesel, and what are the different application of these alternate fuels for the fossil fuels? So these things we will discuss in this class one by one.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Nirmal from PECB. Today I am going to explain about internal combustion engines. Internal combustion engines basically work on the principle of converting mechanical energy to give, converting chemical energy to give mechanical energy as output. It takes the mixture of fuel and air as input to convert the mixture of fuel and air to give the mechanical energy by means of the crankshaft, which is connected to the piston. Basically, the cylinder engine basically made up of multiple cylinders by like 4, 6, and 8, 12, and how and somehow. Basically, a cylinder it consists of four valves, two for intake and two for exhaust. These engines are mostly made up of four-stroke engines, which made up of four strokes, like intake, compression, and expansion and exhaust. Where intake is the place where the mixture of fuel and air comes inside the cylinder, and exhaust is the final step where the exhaust manifold is sent back through the exhaust valves. These these four-stroke steps used for converting the fuel in the motion of piston which is connected to the crankshaft. This crankshaft will convert the mechanical energy received from the piston to the transmission, which gives power to the wheels for the engine for its operation.
So as like Nirmal said, in the IC engine, the power source is petrol and diesel, right? So in a petrol engine, the air and fuel is mixed before entering into the combustion chamber. So in this inside the combustion chamber, there is a combustion process taking place where the fuel is burned, right? After burning of fuels, the thermal energy or thermal heat energy will be generated. This heat energy will be converted into mechanical energy by means of crankshaft and piston. So this is what the power is produced in the IC internal combustion engine, where we have two-stroke and four-stroke engine. And what are the things happening in the electrical vehicle?
So, good morning, sir. Nowadays, EV are becoming more important in our society, sir, because it reduces the air pollution, sir, and noise pollution, and it is a very low cost running, sir. And the main disadvantage is it it takes more time to charging and less charging stations.
And disadvantages of electric vehicles are no air pollution compared to IC engines, and eco-friendly and low running cost, and less noise compared to IC engines, and and gives more range to run. And the disadvantages are high installation cost and less power stations, charging stations across the world, right? And
Right. So with that point, so the main advantages of the electric vehicle is to minimize the pollution, atmospheric pollution, and the disadvantages is with the power generation. For example, if you take a heavy load application, so in that heavy weight application, we can go with the IC engine because we will get the constant power with the internal combustion engine. Whereas with the low weight application, we can use electric vehicle. So but in the recent research we can somehow we can use the EV for the heavyweight application, but in the too heavyweight means we can go with the IC engine. So these are the some applications with the EV vehicle. And any other application or any other discussion with the topic?
Due to the high efficiency and compact size, in industry wise, more industries are using these IC engines, sir. In agricultural, in farming machineries, they use in high percentage, sir. In construction sites also, excavators, then mining machines are using IC, sir. Then in automobile sectors, cars, trucks, and diesel locomotives, they were using, sir. Then employed in employed in diesel generator sets for power supply, sir. So in power station also they are using IC generators.
Yes, right. So today we have a great discussion. Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.